Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 6 of class 7th DAV Social Science Life on the Earth pack exercise. A. Take the correct option. First, which one of the following is a threat to ecological balance? Answer, population growth. Second, taiga is answer a softwood tree. Third, for the preservation of varied plant and animal life, the government has set up various answer national parks. Fourth, mosses and lichens are answer commonly found vegetation in the polar regions. Fifth, the temperate grasslands of North America are called the answer prairies. Fill in the blanks. First, the first form of life on the earth appeared in the water bodies belonging to the flora world. Second, the living zone of the planet Earth is known as biosphere. Third, the human beings who first appeared on the earth were known as Homo sapiens. Fourth, the taiga vegetation is also known as coniferous forests. Fifth, the plants prepare their own food and are known as food factory of the biosphere. C. Write true or false for the following statements. First, in the grasslands, the number of animals is less than as compared to those in the equatorial forest. Second, afforestation causes rise in the pollution level in the atmosphere. Third, tiger and lion are the endangered species in India. Fourth, pampas are the temperate grasslands in Australia. Fifth, insect-eating animals are most commonly found in the dense forest of the equatorial region. Answer first, true. Second, false. Third, true. Fourth, true. Fifth, true. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, name the major types of vegetation of the world. Answer the major types of vegetation of the world are forests, grasslands, bushes, and shrubs. Second, name some common plants found in cold and hot desert regions of the world. Answer cactus, shrubs, and bushes are found in hot desert, and mosses and lichens are found in cold desert regions of the world. Third, what are the major components of ecosystem? Answer plant, animals and humans are major components of ecosystem. Fourth, give some examples of trees having needle-shaped leaves. Answer, the trees which have needle-shaped leaves are pine, fir and spruce. Fifth, why do animals in the polar region have thick fur on their bodies? Answer, animals in the polar regions have thick fur on their bodies to protect them from extreme cold of the polar region. E. Answer the following questions. First, why are equatorial forests known as evergreen forests? Give a few examples of trees found there. Answer. The equatorial forests are called evergreen forests because they did not shed their leaves altogether in a particular season and look green throughout the year. Some trees found here are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona. Second, what role do plants play in ecological balance? Answer, plants keep ecological balance by providing oxygen to living organisms for respiration and absorb carbon dioxide released by them. Oxygen is also necessary for fire, which provide us light and heat and help us to cook food. Plants are also a big source of shelter for many organisms and important part of food chain in our ecosystem. Third, distinguish between tropical and temperate grasslands. Answer. The difference between tropical and temperate grasslands are as follows. Tropical grasslands first. Tropical grasslands located between the equatorial forest and hot desert in both the hemisphere. Second, these grasslands receives about 100 centimeter rainfall. Third, the grasses of these regions are very rough, thick and tall. Temperate grasslands first. Temperate grasslands is located in the temperate zone in the interior part of the continents. Second, the grasslands receive about 25 to 75 centimeter rainfall. They receive snowfall also. Third, the grasses of these regions are short and soft. Fourth, differentiate between hot and cold deserts. Answer, the difference between hot and cold desert are as follows. Hot deserts first, located on the western margins of the continents. Second, temperature remains very high throughout the year. Third, cactus, shrubs and bushes are the common vegetation of this area. Cold deserts first, located around the polar regions. Second, temperature remains below freezing point for the major part of the year. Third, mosses, lichens, etc. are the common vegetation in this area. Fifth, what are the various problems related to the ecological imbalance? What steps should we take to solve them? Answer. There are many problems like rapid increase in population, increasing population, and deforestation for agriculture, habitation, and expansion of industries. As a result, the ecological balance is highly disturbed all over the world. This is having a far-reaching effect on the human beings and animals. To solve these problems, we should realize our mistakes and stop tampering with the nature. Afforestation should be done, hunting of animals should be strictly banned, and other steps should be taken to control pollution.
Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.